almost Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving in advance, and let's see what's going on. Futures were red because of Nvidia a little bit pullback yesterday, and then it recovered, and then we got jobless claim, and now it's jumping again. And on top of that, Microsoft jumped up. That helped a lot. The market goes more green. Pre-market right now on the ES, we're looking upward on the 5, 15, 30, 1 hour upward, and the 4 hour we start getting light blue bar. So there is some bullish signs, but keep in mind today is Wednesday. It's kind of end of the week. Friday is half a day, so there's have to consider like a Lotto day, little bit. And also, if you're playing same day options, I play next week. And the other thing is, it could be very low volume, and it's all about Nvidia at open. If and Microsoft, these two are the key factors today. If Microsoft and Nvidia run up today, since it's a low volume day, it's highly possible to be a low volume day. The move can be big. But if you don't see a jump on Nvidia or Microsoft at open, and if they stay where they are, and it's possible to be a very choppy and a slow day today. But anyhow, direction is up, and let's see what's gonna happen. ES next target, if it jumps up, crazy 4594.53. That's the next key level. Again, weekly MACD is golden cross, but if you note here on the daily TTM, the bars are getting a little bit smaller. The speed of increase of the bars are slowing down. So just keep that in mind. Um, NQ, same thing, looking bullish. Pre-market 5 is a golden crossing right now. 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we're getting light blue bar. So there is bullish signs, but it comes down all to the opening actions. If Nvidia and Microsoft they run up, market can squeeze up higher. And yeah. But as always, keep in mind if 15:30 MACD dead cross and indexes can pull back too. Anyhow, the Dow Jones getting bullish on the 4 hour again. We got light blue bars on the TTA, but not golden cross on MACD yet. RUT, RUT we're getting yellow bars, so that's interesting too to watch. TNX redness today, that's helping. Mortgage rates are a little bit cooling down, getting close to 7. 43.71 is a key level to watch. If it drops below that, next targets are 41.68, 40.42. But we get light blue bar, we got yellow bar on the TTM squeeze daily, so that's just keep in mind. But if 43 breaks anytime this week, next week, it's gonna get very interesting for market. It can be a big catalyst for market to squeeze up again. DXY is green. But just hovering around 103,676. Keep an eye on DXY as always. Wix breaking below 13. That's really interesting. This year low is 1268. So that's the next target. If it breaks that one, market can get even more squeezy. So next target there is 12.1, 1135 there. If it goes above 1307, just be cautious. Market can go for a little bit pullback. SPX next major target is 45.7766. We're getting close to it. It's possible to hit it today, if maybe Friday. What else you got here? BTC just yo-yo there every day, up and down, and daily. Apple again 191.7 is a super major level right now, is stuck there. So it tried to do a pullback yesterday, then it did a recovery, and it's holding up for now. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly. If the 4 hour golden crosses past 199, 191.7 is strong on any catalyst or anything. Next target easy can come 194.02. But again, if it goes below 190, if it can hold 190, supports are 188.46, 186.45. Amazon, Jeff Bezos, news came in yesterday that he sold and he's going to sell more, and that hurt the stock. That was why it was red. So two key levels to watch today is 143.12, 144.11. If it goes above 144.11, the recovery back to 144.91, 145.71. If it can't hold 143.12, retest 141.52. If you see a high volume on Amazon, just keep in mind that means Jeff Bezos is selling. If you look at the daily volume yesterday, it was pretty high, so that means he's probably selling more. Below 141.52 can retest even lower level. Nvidia, that's just opening flat, so premium most likely is going to be crushed. on both sides out of the money, like 520 above, 480 below. They're both gonna be crushed, any calls or puts. And it's all about opening action. 4 hour, I like it that we're getting light blue bars, and 30 and 1 hour is upward. So it's all about breaking 503.86, and the all-time high is 505.48. That's the all-time high intraday, and the high of yesterday in the earning is 509.17 after the earning. So if it does break those, then 511 on point 0.9, that's the next key level. Above that, next targets, next run up is 518, 523, 528.93. This is the bull case scenario. Okay, so bear case scenario, because 15 is dead right now. I give you bull case because 30 is up, 1 hour is up, but 15 is dead crossing. So if it 498 can hold it, supports are 495, 493. Below 493, next major levels are 491, 489, 487. Again, I'm not sure what's gonna happen at open. We'll see what direction it gives, but I'm always try not to touch after earning unless there is a big move. Um, Anyhow, even off of Nvidia, AVGO, now not 994.66. That's a key level to watch. 1 hour is golden crossing. So if it does pass 994.66, next target is 1003, 1012.34. Baba, um, Jack Ma selling is done. So 79.65. That's a key level to watch for that one. If it passes, we are good to go back to 80s, 81, 83, 85. Netflix is just non-stop on the run-up, very bullish on daily and weekly. It's a little bit cooling down, but 477 is the all-time high. So if it opens and jumps up, we're looking at 479.84, 484.88. Those are the next target. Above 484, this one can run up to near 500, and it's most likely before earning 500 is gonna come. Earning, I think, is in December or January. I'm not sure. Um, so 5 is up, 1530 is up, so it does have a chance to open and jump up. 477 passes, 479, 484 easy can come. Meta, 2 points higher, it's all about 339. Pre-market right now, 1531 hour is upward, so 339.36. If it passes, we're looking at 349.55. If it gets crazy, 445, 345.09. Tesla gapping up like 1 point. 4 hour is golden cross. We got light blue bars. Daily is bullish. Weekly we got yellow bar. We have yellow bar already. But pre-market right now is showing a little bit weakness on the 5 minutes. 15 is dead cross and 30 is about to dead cross. So if you have swing, you want to consider locking it. But it's possible to do some fake downside, like touchdown 242, 241, and 239.84. Those are the next support. It's possible to touch down those because the 4 hour is very bullish, and then it bounce up again. So if it passes 243, need to pass 24 high of yesterday. Next target is 244.35, 246.1. If 246.1 this week or next week breaks, next major levels are 248, 250, 255, 256.54. Microsoft, thanks to Sam Altman coming back, start jumping up 5 points higher already. 4 hour is near having a golden cross. Microsoft, we got dark blue bar on the daily, yes, this week 2 times, and the MACD is curved down. But right now, it's all about breaking all-time high. All-time high is 378.87. If it does break that one, 387.99, that's my level I'm watching. Above that, next target is 380.99. Above 380, those are the next levels. Google, on the run up still daily, we still, the bars are rapidly still increasing, so there's no cool down there. Every dip is getting bought there. It's all about 137.92. It's possible right now 5 and 15 is downward. It's possible to usually do some pullback then run up again past 137.92. Next target is 139.36. AMD opening flat, all about Nvidia. If Nvidia jumps, this one can tag along. Next target is 121.6, 123.37. Be cautious, 15 is dead crossing. Boeing, all about 218.9. 4 hour is kind of about the dead cross, so just it's possible to do some consolidation there. Once it breaks out to 18.9 strong, next target is there 220 to 23.2. SPY is breaking out, making a new high. It did make a new high actually. 455.13 was the high of this season. Right now 455.18 it hit, and right now pulling back a little bit. So next target there is 455.93, 457.78. Pre-market right now again like same like ES 5 to 1 hour everything is upward. 4 hour we get light blue bar. If the golden cross confirms, we can go for another leg up. 457.78, that's a major level. If it passes that one, those are the next targets there. QQQ, all about 390.65, passes that one. Next target is, next major level is 394.89. Looking bullish pre-market, so it does have a chance. If Microsoft jumps, it can possibly run to 394 this week. What else? IWM, it's just hovering around 178.25. Need to pass 181.25 for run up to the next levels. Um, what else you got here? Roku, 4 hours dead cross already, but it's pre-market looking bullish. So 95.28, 96.15, those are the next major. Need to pass 96.15 for run up to the next level. 97, 98, 163. Pan W is about to make a new all-time high. All-time high is 265.9, so it hit 265.8 pre-market, and if it passed 265.9, next major levels are 268.62, 273.78, and 279.35. Pre-market looking some cool down, so but it's still 4 hours, still very bullish. This one had just a monster run up since the earning, just run from 240 to 265. LRCX, it's all about right now is 714 is the ask, so 718.22, if it passes that one, can run up to the next levels is 721, 726, 731. Pre-market doesn't have volume, so it's all about opening action. Bidu got an upgrade to 175, that is a little bit crazy. So 116.13, if it passes, we're looking at 117.44, 119.11. Above 119, next levels are 120.25, 122.09, 123.93. What else you got here? Coin, it just keeps going up. 106.5 passes, we're looking at 108, 110, 12. What else you got here? If there's any symbol interested, let me know. Yeah, that's pretty much it on these major names. SMH all-time high hit this week was 165.44, so if it passes that one, that means we're gonna have a run up on semis today. um what else you got? DE got an earning and a big gap down, so it's affecting Caterpillar. PayPal, keep an eye on this one. The 4 hour we're getting yellow bar. PayPal was made as a big jump up sooner or later. And then Caterpillar, big gap down because of DE earnings. So 240, 262 is supporting right now. If it can hold it, 238.44. But it's possible to touch down it's possible to touch down to 238.44 and it jumps up back up. Yep, that's pretty much it. As always, keep an eye on 15 and 30. Direction is upward right now. Highly possible low volume day, and most of it be very choppy. And happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for tuning in. As always, please like and subscribe my video. It helps a lot. And if you like say the option service, for you can join it. If you like chartwiser.com for levels, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.